It's National Watermelon Day, and we'd like to share some of the great health benefits that watermelon has to offer. We all know that watermelon is very refreshing, but did you know eating watermelon can also help you lose weight? That's right. You see, watermelon has 0 grams of fat and 1 cup of chopped watermelon contains only 46 calories. Additionally, in watermelon you'll find only 1 milligram of sodium, 9 grams of sugar, 10 milligrams of calcium, 12 milligrams of vitamin C, 15 milligrams of magnesium and 139 grams of water. Watermelon is 92% water, so it's an easy way to avoid dehydration, which causes fatigue, muscle cramps, headaches, and dizziness. Even more impressive, it has 170 milligrams of potassium, an essential mineral that supports nerve and muscle function and the fluid balance in your body. According to the Cleveland Clinic, watermelon promotes good health and may reduce your risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, obesity, cardiovascular disease, and cancer. Please like and share this video. Thanks.